All right, now at this point right here, you're going to see again that I have taken and sewn along this this curved edge, and here's the fold, curved edge, and the fold. Now we're going to take these right here, and I'm going to lift them up into my hand, and I'm just going to take and kind of do what I call a finger press. Now if you have a iron that you can go to, it might be nice if you take and just iron that, just so that it's going to take and want to fold over to one side or the other. And these materials will kind of work with you a little bit for faking it. Same thing with this right here. I'm just going to take this, and you can see that's where my fold was at, and I'm just going to do a finger press. I'm just taking and squishing that in between my fingernail and my finger, and it kind of just makes it so it wants to hang on to one side versus the other. Not that you can even hardly tell. All right, so we call this a seam in sewing, and I'm going to take the seam on my green one and the seam on my black one, and I'm going to line them up so they are exactly on top of each other. The edges are together, the seams are on top of each other, and then I'm going to pin them down, and I'm going to pin the seam flat. Notice it's on both sides. I've pinned it flat. And then along the same edge, I'm going to take and I'm going to pin my material. And these corners should match up it exactly. And the edges are going to match up. I got a couple of pins that I can use. And I'm going to come down here. I'm going to get those edges matching up exactly. I'm going to kind of stretch that, hold it down, get the edges so they're right together. That's important when you're sewing material. Edges are always even. And then we're going to throw in our last pin because we've got it. All right, and it's just this one edge I'm worried about. Notice this one's all kind of clumpy. We're not worried about it. It's just this one edge right now.